Hello everyone and welcome, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to open a Payoneer account. Now, there are some prerequisites before you can open a Payoneer account. The first is you need to have a valid email address. Then you need to have a valid government issued ID, that is like a passport, driver's license or national ID card. You also need proof of address, that is utility bill, bank statement or lease agreement. Once you have these three, you can now follow the steps. Step 1, it is to sign up for Payoneer by going to the Payoneer website, which is www.payoneer.com, and click on sign up. Next, you have to enter your email address, password and other basic information. Then you click on next to proceed. Step 2 is to provide personal information. You have to enter your personal information including first and last name, date of birth, address, phone number, and click on next to proceed. Step 3 is to verify your email address. Payoneer will send a verification email to your registered email address. You have to open the email and click on the verification link. Enter the verification code sent to your email address. Step 4, provide identification documents. You have to upload a valid government issued ID like passport, driver license or national ID card. Then you have to upload a proof of address, that is utility bill, bank statement or lease agreement. Step 5, you have to set up security questions to protect your account. So you choose 2 security questions and provide the answers. Then step 6, you have to review and submit your application. Review it carefully and check the box to agree to Payoneer's terms and conditions. Then click on submit to complete your application. Step 7 is to wait for account approval. Payoneer will review your application and verify your documents. This process may take a few days. Once your account is approved, you receive an email notification. It's important for you to note that Payoneer verification process may require additional documentation or information, and Payoneer may impose account limits or restrictions based on your account type or activity. They also charge fees for certain services such as transaction fees or ATM withdrawal fees. By following these steps, you can open a Payoneer account. However, please be aware of the important notes I mentioned earlier.